if I made you wanna cry. Sorry if I made you wanna cry. You should know that my mental high.
You cooking for me?
I am not. You know, you can take a leave of absence if you want to, but you're not going to sit on your ass all day. You're going to work hard. You're going to get every bit of your strength and dexterity back.
Really? How?
Put it back together.
The reality is...
Dr. Yang, what exactly happens in a skills lab?
Who are you?
I'm your new intern, Ryan Spalding.
Oh, never going to remember that. You're, 4.2. 3.
Is everything okay?
Don't move.
I'm Dr. Hunt. Over the next few months, I'll be teaching you how to work quickly and efficiently to keep someone alive in the circumstances where the safe bet is they're dead by the end of the hour. Now, does anyone have a problem working with live tissue?
Live tissue, I don't know.
Anyone? Speak now. In fact, leave now. If not, I own you for the rest of the day. Good. Here we go. Each resident gets a pig. Interns assist. Hang on. Go ahead. Save their lives.